Are you ready to an extraordinary journey across 3 vibrant South American countries? We invite you to embark on a 12-day luxury tour for wine lovers and travel enthusiasts. This is the ultimate South American adventure, combining the best of Chile, Argentina, and Uruguay. Our itinerary takes you from the Pacific coast, across the majestic Andes, and ends on the Atlantic shores for a truly unforgettable experience. Join our founder and host, Christian Hefel, for this personally curated 12-day journey designed for maximum cultural immersion and enjoyment. Mark your calendars. This exclusive adventure runs from March 12th to March 23rd, 2027. Our voyage begins in the breathtaking country of Chile. We start in the heart of Chile, exploring the vibrant coast and taking in the stunning Santiago skyline and the colorful houses of Valparaiso. Next, we visit world-class vineyards, from Casablanca to the prestigious Colchagua Valley, including tours and tastings at renowned wineries like Emiliana and La Pastole. Prepare for a majestic journey as we transition from Chile into Argentina. Welcome to Argentina, the land of Malbec and the passionate Tango. In Mendoza, the heart of Malbec country, we'll enjoy high-altitude activities in the Uco Valley, including a unique wine blending experience at Pia Negra. Experience the passion of Buenos Aires with guided city tours and a VIP tango show at the historic Café de los Angelitos. We invite you to an authentic ranch day at El Ombu de Areco to immerse yourself in traditional gaucho culture, complete with a delicious asado barbecue. Our final destination takes us to the charming landscapes of Uruguay. We sail across the blue waters of the Rio de la Plata to discover the new charms awaiting us in Uruguay. Our grand finale includes exploring the historic Colonia del Sacramento and a memorable lunch at the renowned Buza winery before concluding our wine adventure in Montevideo. This voyage is more than just wine. It is a meticulously crafted cultural immersion. 12 days and 3 countries, filled with laughter, great wine, and cherished memories you will never forget. Spots are extremely limited for this exclusive voyage. Secure your place now and join us for the adventure of a lifetime. Vineyard Voyages, your fun and relaxing getaway to DC's wine country and beyond.